welcome back to my channel. I always wanted to do a video on the importance of cleaning your face after you do your makeup. You wear your makeup all day, saliste a la calle, bailaste en la discoteca, whatever it is that you did, that you have your makeup on, lo que sea que hiciste con tu maquillaje, tienes que sacártelo. So important for your face, for your skin, for your beauty. Because makeup is beautiful, but you know what's more beautiful? To take it off. You cannot leave that in your skin. It's very important for you to remove it. So, without further ado, I'm going to remove my makeup in front of you. First thing I'm going to do is remove my eyelashes. Okay? And I do a double cleanse with an oil-based cleaner. I'm going to use the Pond's, the OG old-fashioned Encanta. Mwah. Works beautiful to melt that makeup off your face. Rapidito trabaja. I love it so much. My grandmother and all those old people from Puerto Rico used to use it. And let me tell you, those ladies did not have wrinkles. I don't know why nobody really talks about it. It's been around forever and ever. Los siglos, siglos de esa vida de Puerto Rico. Se quitaban el maquillaje. Pon con ella. No tenían arruga. Ninguna. Get that glue and that eyelash. Beautiful, right? So you're doing rápido. I'm going to use some lukewarm water, right? Warm, not hot, not cold. Warm, okay? Y del agua. Vamos a poner una toallita para limpiar el maquillaje. I'm going to remove this makeup and then I'm going to use a foam cleaner, okay? And you see how fast it's all coming out? Look at that. Todo ese maquillaje se derritió en un segundo. Mira para allá. I'm going to take that out, you know, as much as I can. With that oil-based cleaner. Cleanser, very great. It melts your makeup off. So, I always recommend a double cleanse. Mira, te parece que tengo maquillaje. So you want to get all that stuff out of your face, your hair, you see, sigue saliendo. So that, go in your ears. Beautiful. Now we're going to use a wash on my face. I love this one. It's from Global Beauty Fresher 43 week Kojic acid. No refreshing cleaner. Oh my god, me encanta. Me plastic. This is amazing. It's like a very creamy. Okay. This is a foaming cleaner, but it's so gentle. Just doesn't lie, doesn't take your eyes. It feels like you put a mask on your face, but it's not a mask. It's a cleaner. It's amazing. I only bought it once on Battlefield on special finds, but I absolutely love it. And don't take this off my face. I'm using a little out. And guys, on my face, okay? You see? I still got some glue there. Let me use some oils to remove it. First, I'm going to do some facial toner. The one from the hydrating toner from Bolero Beverly Hills. I put this in the Dollar Tree also. I like to make sure whatever is left is gone. If there's any makeup left, you want to remove it. So I like to do this. You see? And that's going to remove whatever leftovers or whatever you didn't catch. Yeah. Nada. Now we're going to take that glue out of mine with some oil. So now that I remove all that glue with some oil cleaner, and I took, you see, because you know sometimes the whatever you do, the glue stays there, so you have to make sure you take it out. Now I'm gonna put my serums and do my treatments. I'm gonna use the, let's see, Skin Nutrition Botanicals Double Strength Retinol Night Repair Serum. Okay, and put some of this on my face, put it on my neck. You gotta take care of yourself, love yourself. Some eye cream. I love this stuff. Let's put it around here, around my special lines. You know, you kind of like beat the skin a little bit when you clean it, right? So make sure this is the Be Pure compared to a light eye lifting serum. Talked about it a lot. I'm gonna use my Glow Up Night Moisturizer on Be Pure Watermelon. Oh my god, this is almost over. Also suficiente. I use it a lot. Oh my god, it smells so good. You see, I like to put all the moisture back on my face, you know, after I put all this stuff on my face and makeup. So I do put a couple of things on my face. As you can see, I kind of like layer my creams and lotions and serums onto my face. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil with one of my capsules. And so this one is the collagen cream. I'm gonna give it a little booster with some vitamin E. Okay. And then I'm still do with my last one, the one that I found today, the night treatment from Being Pure. If I can open it, if I can open it. So you guys, I found it. I was so happy. The night treatment, Be Pure compared to Labor Denver's Night Recovery Cream, Hydrated Night Cream. Bello. Switch. Oh my god, I love it. I really love the way it feels. It's a little bit on the thicker side, but I like that too. You know? And there you have it. How to take care of yourself after you do your makeup. Remove your makeup off your face. Okay, ladies? Love yourself. Mwah. Good night. I love you. La vida es bella. Huepa. Marisol with a smile. Marisol Beauty with a smile. Mwah. Los amo. Bye.